Welcome to another video tutorial in Java. How to convert dynamic web project to Maven project. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you the steps to convert existing dynamic web project to a Maven project, and after that I will show you how you can add a Maven dependency of MySQL server and then connect to the MySQL server from JSP. So let's get started. So this is one of the dynamic web application that I have. To convert this project into Maven project, right click, then select configure and convert to Maven project. That's it. So it will be converted into the Maven project. So you can see form.xml file is added. Now I am going to add the MySQL dependency. So you copy this and paste here. So now we have the dependency for MySQL database server. So it is added. Now we'll try to run the index.jsp on the server. Right click and then run on the server. Click finish. So now it is running on the Tomcat server. To stop, or we can click on the stop on the console. So this application is stopped now. Next, I will show you how we can add the. So this is a page directive in JSP to import any class. So I will write this here. %page import java.sql.star. So it is going to import the java.sql package. Now inside this scriptlet code, I will write the code to connect to the database. I will select and then source and format. So this code is now formatted well. So the driver is jdbc://mysql and localhost. Their database name is Java examples and driver is this root and username is root, password is root, and we can write out.println connected to the database. Out.println connection created. So let's run it on the server and see. So basically we are writing, I will write matches like connect ping, and once it is connected, it is printing connected to DB database. Now I will run. So now it is printing, connecting, and connection to DB is done. Connected to DB. Now I will show you. I will write a wrong password, and you can see the application won't be able to connect to the server. So it is just connecting. No message is given. I'll just you can see in the console it is printing SQL exception access denied. So instead of printing here, I will print on the web page only. So now it is saying Java.SQL exception access denied for user root at that localhost. So I will fix this. I will correct the password, and now if I run it, it's showing connecting, and then connected to DB. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.